Ways through which you can use WhatsApp to get more clients. And for those who stay to the end, I have a bonus for them. So hang on, quick and direct. The first one, WhatsApp ads. WhatsApp is part of Meta. Meta contains WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, amongst others. So when you do WhatsApp app through this one, they are all redirected to either Instagram or Facebook. And that is quite a huge reach. The second way, ensure that you automate your responses. For instance, when a person reaches out to you, ensure that you have an automated reply to them. For instance, if you check something here, real quick, if you check on this, every time a person drops a message to me, they get an auto response. What does this auto response do? I direct them to YouTube, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, and also they can check our portfolio. This is a very silent way of marketing what you have even before you reply to that potential client. The other way through which you can use WhatsApp to get more clients is through group chats. Ensure that you have a group. For instance, we do have Max Alternative here. This is where we have built our community and I encourage you to join so that we can always share with you every update that is happening in the market on how you can get more clients. So I'll leave the link in the description so that you can join our community as well. And lastly, but not the least, is using WhatsApp status. So when you post your WhatsApp status, people are able to see what you have to tell them. Most of the time, people use WhatsApp status just for fun, sharing what they have been doing and all that, but they don't see it as a business tool. It's quite a powerful business tool. Imagine a scenario whereby you have saved a lot of contact and probably those contacts have saved you and they're able to see your status. It is a plus when it comes to seeing their product and you can post something curious and they'll definitely reach out to you to ask for more details, and from that you can get a potential customer. And lastly but not the least, this is a tip that I highly recommend for everyone. Every time a person reaches out to you, do not delete that contact, save it for future. You never know where the client will come from. Always engage that client and always automate. How do you automate? If you're working on a CRM, ensure that you have WhatsApp in your CRM and you're able to communicate with your client regularly. And here is the final bonus. Lazozia is here for us. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can check it out. They are giving you an option where you can be able to run your WhatsApp campaign seamlessly. Once you add your account, I'm going to add my account here right now. You just click here, add account, and then you link account. Here you click on link account, and then you scan this QR code, which I'll do as we speak from my phone. Boom. And then I'll log in. There you go. And then from there, you'll be able to work from this platform. And the beauty is, if I refresh this, you'll be able to see my WhatsApp here. I'm connected and you can always reach us out to using this number. You can chat with your client from the platforms. You'll be able to see all the groups that you are in from here. You're able to see all the scheduled SMSs. If you come here, you can schedule a chat, which is really cool. And that is one of the things I was telling you about automating. Everybody, every time you get a person who reach out, after they reach out to you, you can always have their contacts here and you can always automate the messages or schedule the message to reach out to these people after some time. And the beauty is you can have multiple WhatsApp here running as well. And as you can see here, you can enter how many days to wait until a repeat sending of message. So once you send a message, you can always repeat that message after some time. And then you can always you can create a template, and then you can use a document, media, or text. And don't forget to use the spin tags. This is a very critical feature that helps you in ensuring that you don't get blocked by WhatsApp. So, and how it works is, if you are, for instance, if it's greetings, you can have something like hey, hello, hey, on and on. And ensure when you send this message, one person receive hey, another one hello. And you can also have, if you have the group name, the date, if you want to include the date or the time that you're sending out a message, or the name of the person if you have the name of the person. But the beauty about this is you can always schedule a chat and it will reach to them in future at a time that you want. All right. So having said that, the next item I want us to look at is, you can always see the campaigns here. You can see the received messages from here. If I refresh this, you will see all the messages that I've refreshed. I'll be receiving all the campaigns I'll be running, and all the messages I'll send when I start running the campaign, and you'll be able to see the queue. It's a really brilliant tool that you don't want to miss in your portfolio, and we're giving a bonus for everybody that is going to reach out and ask for it. So this is a no-brainer. You must have as a tool where you can do an outreach. So that's all I had for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share widely. Thank you. See you on the next one.